Hi all, it's been a long time. I hope everyone are safe. I wanted to share the healthy meals I prepare in a day. So recently I've been getting a lot of messages about my pet birds. And in fact, I'm really happy to know that most of you have become fans of Coco and Ollie. I've added the link to the Instagram page of my birds in the description box below. Do check it out. On this day, I prepared a green smoothie bowl which kept me full until lunchtime. I used to prepare different meals for breakfast. Of all of them, I love smoothies. For this smoothie, I added 1 cucumber, 1 avocado, a handful of spinach, chia seeds and flax seeds with a cup of coconut water. Here I have used store-bought coconut water available in cans. It was organic and unsweetened. Smoothies get the best texture with frozen fruits, especially frozen bananas give the silky texture to smoothies. Add your favorite toppings to your smoothies. Make sure your toppings include fresh fruits, nuts and fiber. I'm soaking 1 cup of chickpeas in 2 cups water. This is to prepare another dish for dinner. It should be soaked at least 3 to 6 hours. For lunch, I made a simple plate. With 1 cup quinoa, I took a mixture of red and white quinoa for this, and I boiled it with water. For the side, I fried 2 sticks of salmon in 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I advise you to cover it while frying. It cooks the salmon evenly. prepared a simple lettuce salad, salmon and quinoa and had it along with sliced cucumber. I don't drink tea or coffee, so my evening goes with a hot cup of turmeric drink. I use grated ginger, turmeric, basil leaves with boiling water and add a teaspoon of bee honey for sweetness. You may use dried basil leaves if you don't find fresh ones. You should definitely try out this drink because it tastes much better than tea or coffee and is very healthy too. So my evening cup of drink goes with some henna practice. My pets are the greatest stress busters for me. For dinner, I am preparing beetroot hummus. For that, take one large beetroot and clean it, cut it into large pieces. I boiled it in 2 cups of water. While it's getting cooked, I sliced 1 carrot and 1 cucumber to have along with hummus. I cooked the chickpeas in pressure cooker for 3 whistles and drained the excess water. And then add it into a mixer jar with half cup olive oil and grind it into a smooth paste. Now grind beetroot with some water. To that add 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 cloves of garlic. Here my camera turned off and I haven't taken the clip of adding garlic. Grind it into a smooth paste. Add half cup lemon juice to the ground chickpeas and then mix it with ground beetroot. Eat it along with sliced vegetables and cloves. I drizzle some sesame seeds and lemon zest to garnish it. I hope you enjoyed watching my daily meals and my pets. Thank you for watching this video. Do give a thumbs up and give your feedbacks as comments. See you again with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.